त्या खातीर आतां रिवायज एस्टिमेट केला आनी एप्रुवलाक घातला.
सो पण आमकां प्रोविजन काय ना घेवपाक
एप्रोच आसा थंय आसा प्रोविजन.
डिझायन करता आसतना ड्राफ्ट बी घेवन तुवें बाकीचे एक्चुअली आमकां पयलें कांयच आमकां विचारूंक ना पयलें तें आमचें पयलें तें
कितें
एक्चुअली फिशरमॅनाक घेवन डिस्कस करून मागीर आमकां जमतलें खंयच्यान
तो ब्रॉड जाय
आतां ते दीस प्रोजेक्ट
लोक वता ना पडटा बेश्टे मोठी आलाय मॅडम यू स्पीक
within one month he has to complete within
बोलोय मोठी आलेले जाऊ द्या
फाईल वर्क
3 दिवसांनी एक फाईल जाता.
It is already included in the project.
We are demanding for last 10 years. Last 10 years. Included म्हणलं ती त्यामुळे आणि
It is already included. So we तुम्ही असले न्ही सगळे अप्रुवल घेवपाक. So consultation only the design is done, no?
ते सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट
ना.
शिवर गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट आम्ही घातलेली तेन्ना ती म्हणलं सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट
ना झाले.
म्हणलं सेंट्रल
Possibility means can start. After the rain.
Madam, is it with shade on top or is it open? Right now they put a shade on top.
shade kalpalta madam.
So rainy season we don't have a problem. Summer we don't have a problem. You can close it and keep it towards it is still better, no? Because even when you remove fish from the jetty, it will get spoiled. We keep it in the sun. It comes directly in the shade. The product is saved, no?
आम्ही कोरी झाले आमकां मागीर पैसे रिफंड दिता तुमी आम्ही कोत्ता ना तुमी रिफंड करा आमकां हा प्रोविजन हा रिफंड करू देखो सीरियस मॅटर मे आनी ते वेस्ट बेंगॉल हॉर्सान स्टार्ट जातले आनी 4-5 वर्सां लागतले.
Madam, 2 weeks or 8-10 days you fix up.
Quality of material is removed from the board, then directly it goes for it. The shade, the quality will be better for exporters. The power and water, from that point of view, it is.
I'll try my best to complete it very soon. Out of the 50 meters, already 30 meters is complete. 20 is left. After the West Bengal consultancy is done, another 67 meters is going to come. So that also, everything is done. Only tendering is left. So very soon, I'll try and complete it.
So, what was the delay for this jetty to be completed? Even though
There are procedures to be done, followed. So the consultancy was there. Then they had a lot of other work also. Now everything is finalized. Only tendering is left. Now for the net mending shed will be done. Then the auction shed will be done. So that we are taking a lot of things.
would the government approval go fast for this re-tendering, whatever?
Everything will be done fast.
There are so many,
I'll personally take an interest to do it
there are
fast.
so many grievances other than this also. Like you spoke about auction shed and the other things, and all. How would you take up those matters?
It's already there, no, in this contract work. It's already there, so we'll do it fast.
So, another thing, as far as fishing ban is concerned, you have spoken about security and keeping an eye on this fishing ban.
Yeah,
but
we are keeping an
the
eye on
government has been lacking as far as security or technical equipment is concerned. Do you all have the enough resources?
That I'll check. If you don't worry, that I'll keep a strict check on that.
But how? Without having the technical boards?
I have kept persons there to see that they don't go out with 2 motors, only 10 horsepower.
Do you think that at this point the requirement of coastal police also for this is?
It is required. They are required. We are taking the help also.
Long pending demand. Malimji jetty has been quite an old jetty which needs a lot of work to be done. Congestion of boats. Mandovi Fisheries has been raising this issue for quite some time. And after talking to the association, we decided to have an inspection today. Because त्यांचे long pending demand जे आशिल्ले, work being delayed, work completion जावना, नाल्यार नवे work जे तांणी सांगिल्ले ते अजून घेवना. Auction शेडा खातीर जे तांकां additional support जाय आशिल्लो in terms of infrastructure, basically infrastructure related issues. to see that this smooth functioning place. So for which we had asked for an inspection today.
आमचे फिशरी मिनिस्टर तशेंच आमचो MLA रोहन कौंदे आमकां इन्स्पेक्शनाक येयलेले आहेत जी आमची एक्सटेंशन ऑफ जेटी आहा पळय ती 30 मिटर्स केलेली आहा आनी उरलेली जेटी आतां तेणी बेगीनूच करून दिता म्हूण सांगल्या. तशेंच आमकां आमचे नुस्तें विकपाक पळय आमकां हें ना शेड ना आनी तशेंच हें ना नुस्तें विकपाक मेळना. इल्लोसो जागो आहा त्या जाग्याचेर आमकां नुस्तें विकपाक मेळना. सकाळींच आमचो 4 साडे 4 हें जाता मार्केट जाता हिंगा तेन्ना आमकां खूब प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हण तेणें आमी तांकां दाखयलां आनी ते प्रायोरिटी बेजीर आमकां आमच्या मिनिस्टरान आनी तशेंच MLAन आमकां करून दिता म्हूण सांगलां. तशेंच आमी आनीक तांकां आमचे जायते डिफिकल्टी आहा. उदकाची एक डिफिकल्टी आहा. एक पासून आमकां एक थेंबो येना. आमकां दिसाक एक 40 टँकर सुमार लागता तें आमी ताका सांगलां आनी तेणें आमकां करून दिता म्हूण सांगलां. ताका लागून आमी तांकां दोगांयकूय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
कितले टाइम जालो तुमचो जेटीचे पेंडींग आसा?
आतां म्हाका दिसता ही 4-5 वर्सां जालीं. आतां हे आतां 30 मिटर्स केल्या तांकां 3 वर्सां लागलेलीं आहा आनी आतां 20 मिटर उरला. हांव नका कितलो टायम लागतलो तो पूण आमकां आतां तेणें एसोरेन दिलां की बेगीनूच जातलो म्हणून आनी आमी रावता हें बेगीनूच आमचें करून दिवचें म्हणून.
तुमचें नांव?
म्हजें नांव मिनिनो आफोंसो चेअरमॅन मांडो फिशरीचो.